Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is about how to avoid scams in the world of cryptocurrency. With the ever-increasing popularity of cryptocurrencies, scams have become, unfortunately, more and more common. But don't worry, we are here to help you stay safe and protect your investment. Before we get started, let's make sure we are all on the same page. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual tokens that use cryptography for security, right? Now, they are decentralized and not controlled by any central authority. Now, while cryptocurrencies can offer many benefits such as faster or cheaper transactions, they can also be risky. The lack of regulation and oversight means that scammers can take advantage of unsuspecting investors. How can you protect yourself from crypto scams? Here are 5 tips that I am going to give you on how to stay safe, all right, from scams. Number 1, do your own research. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, make sure you understand the technology behind it, the team behind it, and the potential risks involved. Don't just trust what you read on social media or hear from a friend. Take your own time to do your very own research, all right? That will guide you more. Number 2, be wary of offers that seem too good to be true. If it is too good to be true, it is obviously not true, all right? So if someone promises you a guaranteed return or a quick profit, it is likely a scam. No one understands or can predict the future of cryptocurrency prices. Be very, very careful. Number 3, always double check facts. Double check websites and apps that you use to trade or where you store your cryptocurrencies. Scammers often create fake websites that look like legitimate ones in order to steal your personal information or your crypto. And number 4, use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. So on all your crypto accounts, make sure to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This will make it harder, much harder for scammers to gain access to your crypto accounts, all right? And then number 5, finally, be careful with who you trust. Scammers often use fake profiles or fake personas to gain trust and then steal your money. Don't invest in anything that you're not 100% confident. We have had issues of people who appear very legit on the internet, who come up with projects and then eventually after some time rug pull and scam people of their hard-earned money. Be very careful. There you have it there. Those are our tips, our top tips for avoiding scams in the world of cryptocurrency. Remember, always do your own research. Be wary of what seems too good to be true, and then double check websites and apps, and then use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication on your accounts, and be very careful of who you trust. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget also to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. I'll see you next time.